It's fun talking with a weird voice.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with Liz and Darius, and we're at Richardson Nature Center in Bloomington, Minnesota.
Oh, I love it. That's the best. That's cute. Little picnic area.
It's cute.
Why is my stabilizer acting quiet?
Gonna go in the nature center, see if there's anything in there. Cute in here.
It is.
Little kid play area.
Oh, sneaky.
Ew.
Look how cute it is.
Turtle.
Salamander.
Turtle. Ew, another snake.
We look some Ninja Turtles.
Cool in here. Raptor area. Nothing in there.
Yeah, I don't see anything. It's a,
Hawk.
oh, they're outside.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's outside yard.
Well, we gotta see him then.
It's hard to see though because of here. Whoopsies. Ooh, owl.
That's a great horned owl.
So cute.
I love
But
owls.
the other two are outside. Oh my gosh, the morel. The Minnesota State mushroom.
Oh, really?
They're all mushrooms.
Response. And then I want you to present it to the family.
You don't even have to be outside and find them.
Dead man's fingers.
Your
Turkey
PowerPoint
tail.
and say, okay, after lots of research.
They have bees' nests. I don't like bees. And they still have some flying. It's a mantis. It's so cute.
Since this is all real leather and everything.
Ooh, a little pond. Little pops of color.
There's really nothing.
Sumac is the first to turn red. Turn color.
It's so pretty though.
Yeah.
Oh, please tell me this is a good picture. Nope.
So sunny.
Actually, right here would be perfect. That's in the foreground. Can you hold this, please? So which way do you want to do? This is the overlook side and this is the lake side. Which way do you guys want to do first?
Lakeside.
Lakeside first? Okay.
Pretty blue sky.
They're orange. I mean yellow.
Oh, they go from green, yellow, dead.
It is so pretty in here though.
It is.
I feel like we're still not gonna have a good fall this year.
I don't know. I mean, I guess because I live an hour from here, so for us it's like very vibrant, and there's barely any green left. So
It's just been so hot here.
it has, but it's weird. Like, what was it? Yesterday was like 80 degrees.
Yeah. And it's October.
We've never experienced 80-degree weather in October.
I wonder what our winter's gonna be like. Long and cold.
I don't know. It could be like last year again, where we had 50 degrees on Christmas and it was raining.
I like that. I don't like snow.
You know, it's only good for pictures.
I love fields like that,
I know, it's not pretty.
especially for portraits.
Or when it's like really moody.
Mm-hmm.
Get really good pictures of the clouds. Oh, that's so pretty.
Good job, babe. You scared the animals. How they
Other froggy.
Where's the other froggy? Oh, I see him. Froggy. They're playing Frogger. camera would have been bye-bye.
It's okay, I didn't get that on video.
You didn't?
No.
Darn it. Everything's fine. Take a deep breath. My knee hurts.
It's selfies.
I almost dropped my camera in the water and hurt my knee. So fun. There's turtles tanning. Modeling queen.
I don't trust my balance at all.
I don't trust it either.
Keep looking that way. Turn your head more.
Model life.
There you go.
Small plane.
I thought they used to be open till like 7 or 8. Now they're closing at like...
It is pretty that way. The field. And then green. Lovely.
I mean, if it was cloudy, that'd be an amazing picture.
It would.
Is this supposed to be the overlook?
No. The overlook is at the Normandale. It's probably gonna be too bright.
Exploring.
It's an interesting mushroom.
It's big. Not very fall leaf looking, but still pretty. We're trying to find the overlook, but now it's going downhill, so I don't know where it could be.
Found a skiing area.
Yeah. Here's the overlook, but we think it's closed off. I think we should just go up that trail right there, but...
Sup? I'm very annoyed with my skills. They're lacking.
Railroad. We're still walking to find the overlook.
I refuse to leave until we find it. You know, I'm
Me
not,
too.
If this isn't it, then I give up.
Yeah.
We'll come back another time.
It's a huge ski lift. There's the ski lift.
I mean, it's a lot more
Promising.
I can't tell if it's just colorful or the way the sun's hitting the leaves.
Hopefully it's colorful. I mean, it's colorful right here.
Yeah, right here's colorful.
Say it again.
If this is not the overlook, I'm going to cry, I'm going to scream, I'm going to curl up in a ball and die.
She's been saying that over and over and over.
How did you get up there?
Let's climb. Just kidding.
Like, oh, I see the stairs on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, no thank you. Very nice.
Oh my gosh, you can see US Bank Stadium from here.
Can you? Or am I just blind? Oh, I see it now. Alright, well, it's not the overlook I wanted.
It's something.
But it's an overlook. I'll take it. Then how?
This is not the one that Liz was looking for, but at least it's something overlooking.
This is...
Here's the ski lift. Looks like what used to be like some kind of overlook that they tore down. And then the pretty view. And Liz and Darius. Liz wants this sign. I said to steal it.
The thing I hate is that my camera like mutes the colors.
Yeah, I know. Compared to your eyes.
I'm seeing it in person, but on my camera, I'm having a hard time
Yeah,
seeing the vision.
I know. So that was all for the park with Liz and Darius. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!